to my channel. Forget like and subscribe.
Who's your passenger? Who's your passenger? Hi. Oh, is that Marshall? Hi, Marshall. How about Holly? You want to get in there, Holly?
She's too big.
Really? And what you got? You got your walkie-talkie there too?
Yeah, it was so.
Wow. Hi, who's your passenger? Hi, Marshall. That's their sports car. Marshall.
He might stay alone in there.
Yeah, for just a little bit. Is he buckled up?
Yeah. He's not buckled up.
Oh no?
No.
Be
I don't
safe.
have
Drive safe,
buckle.
guys. Drive safe. Oh. Here, I'll help you. Here you go. There you go. You love Marshall? Their sports car. Groom, groom.
Marshall down here.
Ah, be careful.
Here.
Show me Marshall.
He at the back of the car.
Where?
Back of the car here.
Oh no! Oh, he fell down. To the rescue, Marshall.
Here.
Yeah, here you go. You love Marshall.
Daddy.
Daddy went inside the house. Beep beep. Beep beep. Beep beep. Beep beep. Oh no, Marshall. Oh no, what you do? Oh no, he's crying now. You gotta rescue him. Ruff, ruff, rescue. Very nice of you, Jacob. Now you take him for a nice ride.
I don't have lipstick.
Ah, that's enough of you too. He's enjoying the ride. You drive safely, okay?
Okay.
Make sure you don't bump your car.
I will bump. But I won't.
You're silly.
Marshall wants to
Where are you guys going? Where do you want to go, Marshall? Maybe Marshall want to go on the slide. Want to go to the park, Marshall? He's right there. Beep beep. Beep beep. Beep beep. Beep beep. Okay. Okay, time to go to the park, Marshall.
My car.
Oh, you get your cars in there too. Wow. Slide Marshall first. Whoop. And Jacob next. Whoop.
My car.
That was cool. Here's Marshall.
Marshall want to go for a swing.
Okay. Oh, safety first, huh, Jacob? Wow. Wow. You're really buckling him up. Okay, Marshall.
I will sit
Fasten
down.
your seatbelt. Oh, you want to sit down with him too? Oh, that's cutie.
Yeah.
Ah, there you go.
Big swing on.
Uh-huh.
Rocky. Can you get my cars, please? I'm gonna get them.
Okay. Oh, you gotta watch out where you're going.
I caught it. Cars. Oh no.
You get all your cars in there too? Wow. You want me to take a picture of you? Say cheese. Say cheese. Cheese.
Now can you get Marshall on? I will carry him. Don't worry. I will carry Marshall. Here.
Okay.
Oh, God, go down the big slide. Can I go down the big
Oh, sure, baby.
I'm on top of it.
Ooh, good job.
I go way over there.
Sure.
I go way over there, Marshall.
Uh-huh.
It's right there. Okay, Marshall, one more there.
Well, be careful. Don't let him fall.
Too tight.
Maybe you go around. It's closer over there by the umbrella.
Okay.
You two are cutie.
Marshall, my job.
Up! Marshall! Now
Good job.
Jacob's turn.
Oh, I'm not staying down. Marshall, won't go down here. I know. Watch me.
Wow, that was a big hop.
We're going to food now.
Mm-hmm.
Careful.
Woo! Whoop. That was a cute one.
I didn't have seatbelts in this car. Well, I should drive. I'm driving too long.
Yeah.
I'm driving
Marshall's driving with you? Wow, you guys are going fast. Are we done?
Buckle gas.
Okay.
Okay.
Here, you put Marshall here.
Now buckle me up in Marshall.
Wow, that's impossible.
How?
This is for the baby. It's not gonna, it's okay. You two can't fit in there.
Go good. Hey, way over there.
Which one?
How about let's go? Marshall won't go to your garden.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know if he will like it. There's nothing interesting in there. He likes the park.
He likes the garden too.
Which one?
He likes the garden there and there. So
Oh, yeah?
Marshall won't go there first. I will just carry you. Nah, I don't need it. Around to the garden. It's done, Marshall. He said here. Watch out the window when I drive. Let's go. Oh, go. Come on, Marshall.
What you got?
Holly ball in my back.
Oh. Be careful. Oh, jeez. Hang on. Are you showing Marshall our vegetable garden?
Hello, back up in the car.
You're sweating. Hot?
Marshall hot. Marshall hot, Mom. Marshall hot.
Okay.
Marshall hot because he need to go in there for shade. Clothes are going up and I hot too. I need to go in here. Oh, sorry, Marshall. Goodbye. Marshall smiling.
See you.